Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel LKT Bro Financial Freedom. The US Federal Open Market Committee's FOMC September 2024 monetary policy statement highlights a 50 basis point cut in the federal fund rate, bringing it to a range of 4.75 to 5%. This is the first rate cut in 4 years. Dow Jones and S&P 500 at record high, Nasdaq up 2% day after federal big rate cut. Following the US Federal Reserve rate cut, Indian government bond experienced a decline. The market reaction reflect concern about global economic condition and potential capital outflow. Driven by expectation of tight monetary condition in India, analysts believe that although the US rate cut typically encourage more accommodative monetary policy globally, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) is likely to maintain hawkish outlook in near term due to domestic inflation pressure. Indian rupee strengthened against the US dollar following the Federal Reserve 50 basis point rate cut. The move by the Federal, which reduced its benchmark interest rate to range of 4.75 to 5%, lead to a weakening of the dollar globally, benefiting emerging market currencies like the rupees. Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has lifted restriction on IIFL Finance gold loan business, which were imposed in March 2024 due to supervisory concern regarding the company gold loan practice. As of September 19, 2024, IIFL Finance is allowed to resume these activities. The company expressed its commitment to maintain the corrective measure implemented during the ban. CLSA has outperformed rating for Bharti Airtel and raised the target price of 1,820 rupees per share, up from rupees 1,655 rupees. The brokerage is optimistic about Bharti Airtel Group, particularly driven by its data center subsidiary Nextra Data, which hold a 25% market share in India. CLSA expected significant expansion in the data center, predicting a tripling a capacity by 2028. Nextra, currently 10% of Airtel business, has seen revenue and EBITDA growth of 65 to 70% over the past 3 years. SEBI found the Axis Capital improperly providing guarantee for the redemption of non-convertible debenture issued by Suzhou Infotech. This guarantee presented as an underwriting violation SEBI regulation. Axis Capital has been given 21 days to respond to SEBI order. During this period, it is being barred from new merchant banking activities in the debt security space. The Reserve Bank of India has also been informed, as Axis Capital is a subsidiary of Axis Bank.